my name's Dan Martin, UK Fire Safety Manager for Morgan Sindall Construction. I have been for the last 2 years. Prior to that I was in the UK Fire Service for 19 years, and following which I moved into fire safety consultancy. Following fire risk assessments throughout some of our projects, I was identifying we had some issues with wooden fire doors. So as a consequence of having a conversation with one of our other supply chain members, we were put in contact with Sera Doors, and as a result we collaborated together to create Tempus. So following our first on-site visit to one of Morgan Sindall's projects in Liverpool, I found working with the team really kind of productive. Opened their minds up to everything that I had in terms of issues with fire doors during construction, and collaborating together we were able to overcome some of the technical issues, some of my initial thoughts, and we were able now to create the door that we've been trialling today. So as I mentioned earlier, one of the main problems that we've got is the climatic conditions and the effect that it may have on timber door sets, particularly if they go in quite early during the build process. And so therefore you get twisting and you get warping of the door sets, and then therefore they're not closing correctly. We also have issues with damage to the timber door set as well, with impact from equipment and materials hitting it on a regular basis. And so therefore we wanted a door that was going to stand the test of time throughout the rigours of a project. And one of the other factors that we wanted as well from a door set was that it isn't just going to be thrown in the skip at the end of a job. We wanted something that was going to be reusable, be able to transfer to another project, maybe go away to be retested and assessed for compliance before it was reassigned to another project. So Tempus has really stood the test of time during our construction project here in St Albans. It's been in for a good number of months now, when the project was being subjected to high winds, lots of rain, lots of moisture and so forth, and compare that to a timber door set in another stair core, we've seen a big improvement. So there's been no issues with twisting and warping of the door. It's been able to close and open freely, and it's been really subjected to the same degree of impact that you would expect on a construction site, and there's been no sign of any issues as a result of that.